Everybody. Now we're going to have a look at a real piece of junk, cheap-end phone charger that came out of a one of those, I think, included for free USB phone chargers that you get with some phones on eBay. My parents had one of these and it died, so I took it apart and we had the circuit board here. I was going to start this out with some different video footage, but unfortunately I done lost that footage, so I'm making this intro video here. So let's go and start by getting a close look at this charger here. So as you may notice, nothing. Let's see. It's totally analog in design. There's no integrated circuits on here to actually offer really all that many safeguards. Now, to be honest, this thing may have circuitry built in to where it has overload protection, where it essentially dips the voltage down to 0 in case of a short, but you never really know for sure unless you really look at it close to tell. But we have some SMD resistors on the bottom, but a lot of stuff is just through hole. We actually have a full wave bridge rectifier here, just 4 diodes, and here is our resistor. I guess we're using this as a sort of a way of inrush current limiting, and possibly as a fuse. Not a very good idea there. That looks like, what is that, a 1 ohm resistor? Yeah, it looks like it's brown, black, gold. Yeah, I think that's a 1 ohm resistor. So yeah, definitely not really crazy about this thing at all. It looks to use a typical 2 transistor style topology, like what you would see in some computer power supplies on the 5 volt standby supply, rather than having an IC controlled 2 transistor. No, I'm sorry, not 2 transistor, but yeah, IC controlled 5 volt standby supply with all the protections built in. You instead get this, and your phone is connected to the end of that. Yeah. So something here obviously had failed, because the LED in this thing did not light up. Over here's the LED. The LED never lit up, and it didn't supply power to charge the device anymore. So something here definitely has given away and given up. One thing to note is, instead of having proper safety Y1 class capacitors, you get these typical 1 kV capacitors that are cheaper. A lot of times these power supply manufacturers will instead choose these for coupling capacitors and capacitors on the input, instead of the proper safety Y1 class capacitors. I think are rated for what, 8 kilovolts. So yeah, essentially these here are not designed with safety protections in mind. Let's say if the thing fails, it could fail shorted. The safety Y class capacitors, generally when they fail open circuit. So that's why they're much safer overall. Yeah, I tell you, this is why you should spend a little extra money on your phone charger. Don't get garbage like this. Sometimes, and I tell you, I've seen some sellers on eBay who will just throw one of these in for free with the sale of a smartphone or whatnot. But yeah, these things are junk. They're garbage. I wouldn't trust this to charge my phone. I tell you that. I sure hope my parents aren't still using one of these, because this is horribly designed, I think. Now, I have seen worse out there, but this is pretty freaking bad, in my opinion. So, that is a look at this power supply. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody, I sure hope you guys enjoyed this video from Q Computer Channel.
Remember to like the video, subscribe to Cube Computer channel for more updates, and remember to tick the bell so you actually get notified of these updates. Did you know that I am also on a second channel that's
CubeComp MTDX?
over there? You'll find videos of bicycling, weather, elevators, and all sorts of other neat and interesting stuff. Feel free to subscribe to that channel as well. And again, I thank you for your support, and thanks for watching this video.